Meet the all-new 2026 Nissan Frontier, a mid-size truck that's tougher, smarter, and more refined than ever before. Whether you're an off-road warrior or just need a reliable hauler, this truck is built to impress. Let's dive into every detail in this full review. The 2026 Nissan Frontier is Nissan's answer to America's growing appetite for capable, stylish mid-size pickups. This year, the Frontier sees a bold refresh with upgraded tech, more aggressive styling, and enhanced off-road features. Here are the key specs. Engine: 3.8-liter V6 delivering 310 horsepower and 281 pounds-feet of torque. Transmission: 9-speed automatic. Drivetrain: rear-wheel drive standard. Optional for towing capacity, up to 6,720 pounds, around 1,610 pounds. Trims: S, SV, PRO-X, and rugged PRO-4's starting price around $32,000, topping out near $45,000 fully loaded. The 2026 Nissan Frontier brings a bold, brawny new look right from the front. It commands attention with a massive blacked-out grille, aggressive LED headlights, and a sculpted hood that gives it serious road presence. Move to the side, and you'll notice squared-off wheel arches, beefy fender flares, and 17 or 18-inch alloy wheels depending on the trim. The PRO-4X stands out with red tow hooks, off-road tires, and skid plates for rugged adventures. Around back, you get a damped tailgate, LED taillights, and integrated steps for easy bed access. Overall, it looks more like a mini Titan than ever before, and that's a good thing. Wide, blacked-out grille with the strong Nissan badge, high-mounted LED headlights with DRLS, aggressive fender flares, and 17 or 18-inch alloy wheels depending on trim. PRO-4X models add off-road touches like skid plates, red tow hooks, and all-terrain tires. It's shorter than a full-size truck but looks just as commanding. The Frontier now has real street and trail presence. Step inside the 2026 Frontier, and it's clear Nissan listened to what truck buyers want. The interior feels tough yet surprisingly upscale. The dashboard features soft-touch materials with a clean layout, and in the center, a 9-inch touchscreen supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Nissan Connect. You also get thoughtful touches like a wireless charger, dual-zone climate control, and a Fender premium sound system on higher trims. Storage is solid too, with large door pockets, a deep center console, and under-seat bins in crew cab models. It's practical, modern, and built to handle both work and weekend. The 2026 Frontier, and you'll see how far this truck has come in comfort and tech. You get a clean, modern dashboard with soft-touch materials, a 9-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Nissan Connect, optional 10-speaker Fender premium audio system, wireless charging, remote start, and dual-zone climate control on higher trims. Storage is impressive with under-seat bins, a deep center console, and multiple USB ports. Everything feels robust and purpose-built to just what you want in a truck cabin. Comfort is where the 2026 Frontier surprises many. The seats are zero-gravity front seats, designed to reduce fatigue on long drives. You'll enjoy excellent ride quality with an improved suspension, solid cabin insulation that keeps road noise low, heated front seats, and a heated steering wheel on higher trims. Crew cab models offer decent rear seat legroom, though taller passengers may feel a bit snug for a mid-size truck. It balances workhorse durability with a surprisingly cozy ride. Under the hood, that naturally aspirated 3.8 liters V6 gives the Frontier plenty of muscle. Acceleration is smooth and responsive, perfect for daily driving and weekend adventures. The 9-speed automatic shifts confidently, though not the quickest in the class. The Pro4X model is a true off-road machine, with Bilstein shocks, an electronic locking rear differential, and hill descent control. On-road handling feels stable with a stiffer chassis and tuned suspension. Whether you're towing, trailering, or hitting dirt roads, the 2026 Frontier delivers dependable performance. The 2026 Nissan Frontier doesn't try to be everything. It focuses on being a rugged, reliable truck that gets the job done with style. It's strong, smart, and ready for adventure with serious off-road capability in the Pro4X. If you're looking for a no-nonsense mid-size pickup with modern tech and muscular looks, the Frontier is a solid choice. It might not out-luxury a Ridgeline or outsell a Tacoma, but it hits the sweet spot for value, toughness, and performance. Let us know in the comments, would you pick the Frontier over rivals like the Tacoma or Colorado? What do you think? Does the Frontier deserve a spot in your driveway? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest truck reviews.